are standing here in the tropical rainforest. As you can see, there's no sunlight because of the dense canopy, and we're protected by this umbrella due to the harsh rainfall.
We're here because we want to observe some of the animal adaptations that they have acquired over time that is best fit for them to live in this environment of the tropical rainforest.
So walk with us as we observe. Oh wow, look! It's an African forest elephant! Ken, why do you think its tusks are straight instead of curved?
I think that, you know what? These elephants have straight tusks rather than curved tusks because the curves could get caught in underbrush and vines of the forest. These elephants are also smaller in size, and I think that this is because it'll make it easier to travel through the dense forest.
Well, let's continue on and see if we can find any other animals. Hey, look, an orangutan.
Meg, look how strong its arms are. Why do you think that they're so strong?
I think the orangutans must be really strong in order to bend through the trees. And if you can also see, they have curved feet. And this is so that they can stand on the branches. And their opposable thumbs up here. That's so that they can grab the branches and other objects.
Now we're going to keep going through the rainforest and see what else we can find.
Looks like a body of toucan. Oh my god, a toucan!
Look how wide its tail is. I'm going to pick up this toucan. Toucans have such wide tails. I think that this is to help them balance on the branches of trees. And also, they have really big beaks. Meg, why do you think their bills are so long and light? Hen, I think their bills are so long because it's a really easy way for them to reach fruit. Cool. Let's put it back.
And he flew away. Wow, man, look, there's a jaguar. Wow.
Hey, Meg, why do you think it's so close to the water?
The jaguar has adapted to be able to swim, and this can help him find another food source that's not just on the ground, but in the pond, such as fish and turtles.
There's a little waterfall.
We had a great time in the tropical rainforest today.
We're so glad we were able to, discover and see all these cool adaptations that the animals have acquired over time for them to best live in their tropical rainforest.